guys, what's up? Welcome back to Isabella and It's another video. So you can see, it was raining I was running in the rain. So yeah, it's raining right now. So you can kind of see it's raining. And my phone already got wet. It's not good. I'm drying it off a little bit. Anyways, so we're gonna be playing in the rain. Okay, guys, we're gonna run and we'll come back. So see you right there. Okay, there's like a lot of drops right here, so we're gonna have to run through this. It's actually not even raining now. It stopped raining. Well, it's not that. It's actually raining still, but like, and we're just doing a vlog, a random vlog. We're gonna keep running. I'm gonna run on the rain. Run on the rain. Run on the road. Oh, it's raining. I'm gonna do that. It's scary. It's raining a lot and my phone's getting wet. I better go. Look at the rain. Here, look at the road. Pouring right now. Oh no! It's really raining now. Let's get the rain. I did it, guys. Oh, Rusty's running too. Rusty was running with me a little bit, guys. My dog. Rusty. I'm out of breath. Rusty, here. We have a walk. Pretty cruddy. There we go. Alright, guys. So, that was pretty fun. Now it's really raining, and I'm so scared. I'm gonna be running more. I'm so scared. I don't know why I'm scared. I'm probably gonna swing now. Shall I? I'm gonna swing now. I'm gonna swing in the rain. Oh crap, it's wet. It's very wet. Hallelujah. I'm just getting wet, that's all. It's like so fun. My phone's getting really wet too, so I might want to end this video very soon. Rusty, come here. Rusty, come here. I'm looking at my dog. Oh, it's scary. It's raining. Please don't start pouring. I'm literally on the swing that my dad built, so it's pretty fun. This is kind of scary. Don't know why. The road's right there. Should I get on it again? Yeah, let's go. On the road. Rusty. Alright, I went a lot. It's only sprinkling now. It was like pouring, but now it's sprinkling. Alright, guys, well, hope y'all enjoyed my video. Love you so much. Me playing in the rain. My hair.